Hey there everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Susan McDonald. I am a thrifter, a collector. I love home decor, vintage home decor. Was out thrifting yesterday, found some amazing pieces. Let me share my fabulous thrift haul with you. I have never seen these crackle green glasses before and love the iced tea water goblet, definitely going into my personal collection. I also found the related champagne coupes. One of my first finds was this gorgeous champagne coupe. These are crystal. Always love a good ding. And look at the Art Deco lines on this. Very Art Deco, would be great for craft cocktails or champagne. Blue glass, well, any color glass is really hot stuff right now. Look at pedestal on these. These are chunky, substantial. They're a great color of blue. Fabulous. Fitz and Floyd. Look at these blush pink coffee cups. No saucers, but this color has done so well for me. I have a set of 4. More Fitz and Floyd. Look at these salad dessert plates. Again, Fitz and Floyd. These are made in Japan in perfect condition. And I have some china. I'm going to keep these. I have some china, black and white striped Mikasa china that this will look stunning on. I got a pair of salad plates and these were $4 each. These are made in Portugal. I love the artwork, the green and the blue. I actually have some blue goblets that I was kind of like, I think I could use some salad plates that could relate back to those blue goblets. I love finding new vintage decorated glassware. These VIP glasses are really cool. It's a set of 2 large ones like this, these roly-polies, and then it's 5 on the small ones. I think they'd be a really fun hostess gift. So if you're a guest at someone's house, you could say, oh, you made me feel like a VIP. Look at these fabulous smoked double old-fashioned glasses or low balls, vintage 1960s or 70s. I have a set of 8. Check out this gorgeous black vase. I love a pedestal vase, and I just love decorating with black accessories, especially when there's a grouping. I love red branch coral, and I found a set of 4 of these, perfect condition. They are made in Japan, so that tells me that they're definitely vintage. Look at that red branch coral detail. You can see there's a seahorse, some other shells. Anything red branch coral, gotta have it. Look at this plate. This is Mikasa, and I got the little dessert plate. So I got 4 of these dinner plates. This pattern is called Homage to Van Gogh. I love these green colors. I love the pink. I love the orange. 4 of these and then 3 of this little dessert plate. Look at this from the paper source. It's this tropical garland. Look at those pink flowers, those green leaves. Very, very festive. I paid $3 for these. I got 2 boxes. I guess this is what it will look like when it's all strung out. So I think for $3 each, this was a bargain. I'll be keeping this. This gorgeous oversized tray. This is by Social Supper Trays. I'm thinking this is 50s or 60s. Hopefully you can see that blush pink and some silver. This is a Korak tray. Check out Roadrunner. He's actually very cute. There's wood embedded. Again, this is Korak of California. These are very collectible. One of the very best things I have found this year is this pair. Ooh, got that? Hear that ting? Waterford crystal highballs. Look at these. I looked it up online. These sell for $105 each on Wayfair. I paid $3 each. They are signed Waterford. Got the low balls too. Look at these again. Lismore pattern. I know the pattern. I learned it when I was at Bloomingdale's. My Bloomingdale's days are starting to pay off. So I spotted these. I'm like, I think these are Waterford. I think these are Waterford. Sure enough, I finally found the maker's mark. So also $3 each on these. I'm keeping them. They're going in my collection. Fabulous martinis yesterday. These are that Luminarc made in France. Look at this turquoise kind of green color. So beautiful. Good looking martini for maybe if you live in Miami or Hawaii or someplace like that. I have a set of 5 blush glasswares. These are kind of a 1970s, 80s artisanal kinds of glass. There's a little bit of gold and some blue and some lavender. Really a nice pair. Colored glass. And my final item from yesterday are these 2, it's obviously identical. They have kind of a Lalique look to them. I paid $4 each for these, but just a super nice little bud vase. I'd like to do things in pairs when I can, just because it could be nice to have that balance on a table setting. Very nice look, kind of contemporary. I love the frosted look to it. Again, kind of has a Lalique vibe. That's a wrap. I hope you guys enjoyed today's thrift haul review. I enjoyed shopping for it as always because I love the treasure hunt aspect of thrifting. I also, of course, love home decor, obviously. You can shop my collection over on susanjane.com. Hit the subscribe button. I'm going to be posting more regular content about thrifting, home decor, home decorating content.